Okay, today we'll be doing something a little different. I'll be setting up a Vevor ice fishing tent. We'll see how long that takes to set up. And a Vevor diesel heater. The temperature is about minus 15 right now, so let's see if that diesel heater keeps our tent warm. Okay, here we are with the ice fishing tent. Let's see how long it takes to put together. As you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, there we have it. Well, there it is. If an amateur can put it together in 2 minutes, I'm sure you guys can too. Well, you should probably stake it down, but we'll do this just for educational purposes. Now let's take a look at the inside. Definitely roomy enough. I can stand up inside of it, not hit my head, and I'm 6 feet tall, so lots of room and pretty chilly. Let's see if we can get that heater up and running and see how long it takes to warm this place up. Okay, here's my Vevor diesel heater. Runs off of a battery. I use my boat battery. Has the exhaust away from the tent, obviously, so you don't burn a hole in it. That is the intake, the air intake. And once it heats up, your heat comes out of this tube here. It's basically like a duck hose for a dryer. Starting to warm up here. Turn on, should I say. Let's just see how long it takes to warm up our tent. It has a display screen there, so you can actually set your temperatures if you want low, medium, high. It does have a remote come with it, so once I zip up the tent, I can set the temperature from inside here if I got too warm or want to turn up a little bit more, so that's a nice little feature. This is a 8 to 10 person tent. It's over 6 feet wide and over 12 feet long, so there's definitely enough space in here. Get even a couple of guys. It's pretty roomy. Okay, it's just been over 5 minutes now since I fired up that heater. Let me tell you what, it's pretty toasty in here. I'm taking off my hat right now, and within 10 minutes I'd say you could be down to your t-shirt and shorts in 15 minutes. Well, you get the idea. Well, they say if you're not fishing from the comfort of your home, you're not fishing. Well, I think that's what they say. I brought my Lazy Boy 3000 over. Well, they say fishing's supposed to be a relaxing sport. Well, I think they got that part right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next episode.